Hey everyone, ever wondered how muscles grow? Let's dive into some cool science and tips to unlock your muscle building potential. First off, did you know the human body has over 600 muscles? They make up about 1/3 to half of our body weight. Muscles work with connective tissues and are controlled by signals from the brain moving us around every day. When you challenge your muscles like pulling a heavy door, your brain signals more motor units and muscles to help out. This results in a fascinating process. Microscopic muscle damage. Injured cells release cytokines, triggering your immune system to repair and grow those muscles stronger. But how do you maximize that growth? Here's the magic formula. First, progressive overload. Continuously increasing the workload on your muscles is key. Eccentric contractions or lengthening the muscle under tension are especially effective. Next up, nutrition. Proteins are your muscle's best friends, providing the amino acids needed for repair and growth. Hormones like insulin-like growth factor and testosterone also play a significant role, and of course, rest is crucial. Your muscles repair and grow mainly while you sleep. Did I mention age and gender? Young men typically build muscle easier due to hormonal advantages, but don't let that discourage anyone. Genetics also play a part, influencing your muscle repair and growth potential. So remember, tear, eat right, repeat. Challenge those muscles, fuel them well, and give them time to recover. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content.